Yakima manchwa omo rigereri ni ida ina Chinsa Ikomi chia abona maragoba na namangana maja senchira yobo kirani gose Ekeonga Chinsa Ikomi chini gongoro kwa Haron ni Ototo Nyangiri utoko bota na rupo mfemi menyerilio niga kwa Wilson Makoli. Ekeonga Chinsa Ikomi ni goto cha kurwase county ya Nyamira aze toko manyagobuna Dadius Nyabaro nere omo speaker gali mujia bwe bunge ye county jo magayo kanyora chikura emerongebere na ibere ase obocholi wanyaka bokurawa amo nomamsie bwe godi ya kiabonyeru omo ske Vincent Penecha se chingwana chiabo abo wanyaka babo kwana magayo kachoro kwa Dadius Nyabaro wanyaka bakorwe kosamelebuna nigarachikura bunge ye county jo ase chinjira chindonge ase boigo tukokonyere tu na nigo Dadius Nyabaro nyarka bago chorwa magiga ya ombuyo kabeire omo speaker bwe bunge yo omo skena kukero ugo tugutua isiko kosikurusigwa ase kiroge kyo amatuko amakaitire.
The process of voting, and we'll be calling the names, and then the honorable members could
Sergeant Atam, close the door, the process is starting. Dadius Nyabaro Mumanyi, the Speaker elect of the County Assembly of Nyamira. Direction of the Speaker, the clerk shall administer the oath of affirmation of office to the Speaker in the presence of the assembled County Assembly.
Kamulanje county ye ikaro ya chagete buya ekiagrantu asiretio yo moito oyore ke majority naende bono tuamanya konyora challenges nyingi chigotobwati lakini nyasao tobwe. Honorable Speaker, egento kwa kama ngato tugute differences chance tobwata ta colleagues ekiagera elected members of a county assembly no oversight e governor ntobwati libaga lyoko chiko oversight bono ya ikirengaki tuanyolire speaker ne deputy speaker ne clerk bagendera ne meremeye tokore to develop Nyamira egento tokorwa ni development yoka Nyamira so
ndenya sawo yorumuya torokere iyo koire sawadi yegero kyogo speaker na nyasaye na korae obo mo speaker muya egere na ende Moscow na botolengera dinga go kujimutua na bokorra kaburaki no montoro bwechingu no mondoro mororo ndo motegere rwe bintebinge igonta itegote
ojumbe bwe bunge ya Nakuru Town West muskeza mweri arama nigabere bwango yakwegerera kiranja ekiganja kia National Government Constituency Development Fund igenya kabange konyora okwamereria okoneko bwa kurwa ase abando ao nigo umuske aramanya kabaga komochia igatia bali bakomereria okoba gwikiganje kyo azatabuneka kyo nigo kyanyare koba gegotumeka buya na kwene kya mugendero ase chibunge ao emergency ya Kenya.
It's only that we want to tell tunataka kuambia wale critics, unajua iko watu wanaitwa activists. There are people who do anything like when they go to court and they say that the National Government Development Constituency Fund is not LP, and I know it is LP because I'm a practical example. Watoto wengine hapa, if we had the time that you would have seen them here, I've educated children from one using CDF funds, not even a single penny from their parents, because wamekuwa doctors, and they are here coming here today and we see them talk. So how do we say that CDF is not assisting the public? Tunataka tu watu waende, once we do good things like maneno ya basari, okay, maybe other places there could be some issues. Some people could be misusing CDF, but I can tell you 90% of members of parliament they really want to see that the CDF benefits people come from that constituency, because that's the only time you're going to be elected. If I was not using my CDF properly, I could not be elected for that time. So mimi nataka niwaambie tu ya kwamba wacha tuende tuweke kwa sheria, hata kama
Nchumorigere tugereka se county ya Kisii nigo aboroki babanyaka bakubikira chigutwa litukulia lero ase ekuru gose University ya Kisii bako ese omuyiga onyaraka bokorawa amo no muwasiri w'ekisemi musike Julius Migosi ogamba nabo yigo nyaraka bokwikiranwa no mugavana wa county ya Kisii musike Paul Simba Arati ase nsemo yaye omu vice chancellor wa university yo omusike gose professor Nathan Ogech niganyaraka ba agakwana mangi hali nyaraka bakwana kiwa ase university yo korwanya takabaga kanyora baga ase university yo nagari kamana nige university ragenda ukize kinya ebirengo biyaye biyekwana namasomo uchesa barokiwa bali bagosoma ase school yo.
Chief guest, we are honored because we have over 20 universities that have sent their delegations here, including 6 vice chancellors who are present with us, led by the mother of Kisii University, the vice chancellor of Egerton University. In today's graduation ceremony, we shall present 3,794 graduates, comprising 37 doctoral, 19 masters, 29 postgraduate diploma, 3,375 bachelors, and 298 ordinary diploma, and 36 certificate candidates for the conferment of degrees and award of diplomas and certificates respectively. From the outset, let me record our sincere thankfulness for the support we have received from the Republic of Kenya through the Ministry of Education. In addition, I want to thank the Commission for University Education. I want to tell you that the Chair for University of Education is here, and other regulatory bodies for accrediting and regulating our programs. I also appreciate the Kenya Universities and Colleges Central Placement Service, whose CEO is also here, for their continued support. Madam Chancellor, the unwavering support that we have received from the Council, University Management, the Senate, dedicated faculty, staff and resident students has propelled us to be here, and that's why I want to make observation on serious transformation that we have made in the last 1 year in 7 or 8 points. Number one, the support of the University Council has enabled us to achieve significant infrastructural developments, including the completion of 2 buildings. We have renovated laboratories, and we have improved our internal access roads to Cabro status level. And above all, Madam Chancellor, we have been able to acquire 3 vehicles, an ambulance, and 2 buses to enable us to deliver on our mandate. Secondly, we are saying that we have done a lot of digitization in the university, and with this we are able to have most of our programs run without problems. And that's why I want to let everybody know that in this university, all the students you are seeing here, if they arrived here to register as first years, it takes us 30 minutes to register 7,000 first year students. We have just launched our 2024-2029 strategic plan, and through that strategic plan, we have also revised our vision and other fundamental statements. We are no longer talking about being a university of the 21st century, but Chancellor and Chief Guest, we are saying we are an inclusive and borderless university that creates positive change in the world. That is the vision that is now leading us. Through this, we have made several strides in trying to internationalize the university, and that's why in the last few days, we have received international students on exchange from various parts of the world. We have also received international faculty, especially those who came on Carnegie Foundation, especially one from Alabama in the USA, and others came from University of Manchester and the University.
Gerdi habanto kolera Ekeonga Chinsa Ikomi senjera yo bwenge tomerane Chinsa ibere anse Ekeonga Chinsa ibere utatinjira yogwikiranu ncheni gongoro kwa ni Ototo Nyangiri otokubwatana rwansa memenyerio nigakoro kwa Wilson Makoli na bayo kuransa ya transmission nigo hakoro kwa DJ Atsan twara oboligerio buya ase emirobolende ekobwate
na batebi na mbasire kitoronigizi ego kanza mochimu gembo nsa stage yechi bigi nsa ajonyo kotate speaker na ne kabisa live and direct onyo kotate ufa chisi mimbu yeto ayege ntoko koraneke ogo chankoro kitobese ko bwanga ko ngaina tikankoro chitibi no chiriga etibi urwambara etibiri jambi ebetrio kutumia nyomba kwa raza kwa duniani ebetrio kwa kelia gari yao majiji betri na raro fogo laki amaliko no ali ga kurgwiga sikuka okutura tulijimeno ga kubugima buko yiga mara moja kwa ragiri onyange jonzimbi neji ufa
numbers electronics boigomba bwate ebintu bina chispika amone chi microphone chi horn speaker chi power mixer chi keyboard chi blender chi basi na boigo chibirika chestima chi water dispenser chi radio ao mpaka chi chigari chi TV chi type chonsi na boigo chi size chonsi amo na electronics beyonce pibuna chi wire chi extension cables nebintu binde ebinge ekeroteri kweba chi solar panels.